a smoky bar on Bleecker Street, where dreams and shadows tend to meet. A pianist plays a tune so sweet, while lovers dance with borrowed feet. The saxophone serenades the night, underneath the city's buzzing light. In corners dark where whispers flood, stories of love and lost convert. Oh, midnight in Manhattan's glow, where time moves soft and feelings flow. Jazz tunes weave a tale so grand in this enchanted rhythm land. Trumpet sings with pure delight, echoes of a love so right. Through alleys laced with hidden charms, we sway and twirl in each other's arms. Candles flicker on the breeze as melodies put hearts at ease. The city's heart beats slow and true. In every song I hear you. Oh, midnight in Manhattan's glow, where time moves soft and feelings flow. Jazz tunes weave a tale so grand in this enchanted rhythm land. Oh, midnight in Manhattan's glow, where time moves soft and feelings flow. Jazz tunes weave a tale so grand in this enchanted rhythm land.